It's a happy morning here in Siargao. In the clear waters of the cool river, a funny, fine, feathered friend swims the day away.
Hey, you okay? I am a Philippine duck, by the way. Of the class Aves, order Anseriformis, family Anatidae, genus Anad, species Lusonica. Quite a mouthful, huh? Just call me Papan. I'm just at home in the water as I am in the sky. That's why I love it here in Siargao. My waterproof feathers are handy as they make me float. See, my bottom is totally waterproof. Makes floating around the waters as easy as pie. And check out my web feet. It's huge. It can't make me walk on water. But for swimming, it totally fits the bill. Get it? Bill? Mine is huge and blue. Sargao's a dream home for me. I can surf the waves in the morning, chill out in the rivers in the afternoon, and sleep in the mud flats at night. It was nice meeting you, but now I got to go. I don't have plans for today, but you know, as ducks, we love to wing it. Ha ha ha, my joke just quacked me up.